Tokyo/Neuchâtel, Switzerland, Reuters, in seeking regulatory approval for a new smoking device called IQOS, Philip Morris International Inc. is claiming the electronic gadget is less likely to cause disease than traditional cigarettes. But the IQOS holds another, less obvious advantage over regular smokes, the ability to harvest personal data about users' Euro trademark smoking habits. The tobacco giant is already building a database of IQOS customers who register with the company. And it has developed a software application that could take things a step further. The initiative, if allowed by regulators, could extract information about a user Euro trademark's smoking routine from the device and use it for marketing purposes, said a former project manager at the company who tested the software in Japan. That data would include the number of puffs and average consumption per day, said Shiro Masaoka, who worked at Philip Morris in Japan from 2012 to 2016. Asked about Masaoka Euro trademark's comments, Philip Morris said the software in the device that controls temperature and duration of use Euro is not used for marketing purposes whatsoever Euro. A Canadian firm that specializes in reverse engineering tech devices says the IQOS is equipped with 2 microcontroller chips, including one that, with modifications to the device, could support the storing of usage information that could then be transmitted back to Philip Morris. From the product description of the chips used, the data could include details like the number of puffs by a user and how many times a person smoked the device in a given day, according to Ottawa-based Tech Insights Inc., which examined the EcoSA Euro trademark innards for Reuters. The Firma Euro trademark's inspection included the hardware and components. It did not test the functionality of the Devicia Euro trademark's software. Reuters is publishing Tech Insights Euro trademark teardown report as part of a searchable repository, the Philip Morris Files, which includes internal company documents. Presented with the Tech Insights findings, Philip Morris said in a statement, no data information from the device is linked to a specific consumer, only the device Euro. A patent filed by a Philip Morris subsidiary in 2009 suggests how communication with the smoker would work. It describes an ECOS-like device as having Euro or an interface for establishing a communications link for uploading data to and downloading data from an internet-enabled host Euro. Gregory Connolly, a professor at Northeastern University in Boston who has studied IQOS technology and patents, said Philip Morris Euro trademark ability to gather user data could give the device remarkable power. Euro or what the Euro trademark going to have is a mega database of how Americans smoke Euro, he said. Euro or and the Euro trademark be able to reprogram the current puffing delivery pattern of the IQOS to one that may be more reinforcing and with a higher addiction potential Euro. Told about those comments, Philip Morris referred to remarks in January by its Vice President for Scientific and Public Communications, Moira Gilchrist. I can reassure that there Euro trademark's no technology in there that Euro trademark's intended to manipulate in any way what is delivered from IQOS Euro, Gilchrist told a panel of scientific advisors for the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. The only time the company extracts data from the device, Philip Morris says, is when trying to figure out why their Euro trademark's been a malfunction. Euro capture data Euro trademark. Gilchrist told the FDA panel that IQOS delivers roughly the same level of nicotine as a standard cigarette. Philip Morris says the Devicia Euro trademark's nicotine delivery cannot be altered. Gilchrist did say, though, that the company is able to Euro capture data Euro such as the number of puffs taken on an IQOS, but doesn't Euro trademark do so unless a Euro trademark's necessary to examine a device that has a technical problem. The number of puffs by a user and smoking time per tobacco insert are automatically regulated by the device, she said. The company says that by heating tobacco instead of burning it, the IQOS significantly reduces a user Euro trademark's exposure to the levels of carcinogens and other toxic substances found in a regular cigarette. As a result, the company claims, the device Euro is likely to reduce the risk of smoking-related diseases Euro. The IQOS system uses cigarette-like inserts containing tobacco, branded in some markets as heat sticks. They slide into a pen-size holder, equipped with a heating component called a Euro or a blade. A Euro. The device comes with a USB cord, and has Bluetooth wireless communication availability in some markets. Philip Morris says IQOS is for smokers who would otherwise not quit. It is applying to the FDA for permission to market the device in America as being less harmful than cigarettes. The panel of advisors at the FDA hearing in January voted its approval of a finding that scientific studies show switching completely from cigarettes to IQOS significantly reduces a smoker a Euro trademark's exposure to harmful chemicals. But it also found that Philip Morris had not demonstrated that the reduction is a Euro irreasonably likely a Euro to result in a Euro immeasurable and substantial a Euro reduction in disease and or death. A Reuters investigation published in December identified shortcomings in the training and professionalism of some of the lead investigators in the clinical trials that underpin the tobacco giant Euro trademark's application to the FDA. Former Philip Morris employees and contractors described irregularities in those studies. Reuters did not find any evidence that the outcome of the experiments was manipulated or falsified. Philip Morris said in a statement to Reuters that a Euro studies were conducted by suitably qualified and trained principal investigators a Euro researchers who oversee a clinical trial. Patents filed. In a letter in February, which mentioned Reuters a Euro trademark findings, a group of 10 U.S. senators asked FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb to a Euro or avoid rushing Euro the approval of products such as IQOS a Euro without requiring strong evidence that any such product will reduce the risk of disease, result in a large number of smokers quitting, and not increase youth tobacco use a Euro. The company has filed a series of patents related to electronic smoking devices. One such patent published in 2016 describes a mouthpiece with a sensor to measure the amount of nicotine byproduct in a user a Euro trademark's saliva and allows for remote adjustments to the device. Such changes would allow for the monitoring and controlling of the a Euro maximum threshold a Euro for the amount of nicotine that a user receives, according to the patent. In a statement in December, Philip Morris said that patent a Euro is not used in any of our products and we have no plans for it in the foreseeable future a Euro. At the January meeting of the FDA advisory panel, Gilchrist was quizzed on how the company is using Bluetooth, which provides for greater connectivity with IQOS users. She replied that it is used to remind consumers, for instance, when they have to clean their device or reorder heat sticks so they didn't a Euro trademark run out and have to revert to regular cigarettes. A Euro for example, a message may come up, a Euro hey, you haven't a Euro trademark used your IQOS device today a Euro trademark a Euro Gilchrist said. A Euro have you stopped smoking, or is it because you a Euro trademark ve gone back to combustible cigarettes, a Euro. In Japan, which has more permissive tobacco marketing laws than many countries, Philip Morris is collecting user information through registrations for the device. At a flagship boutique in Tokyo a Euro trademark's fashionable Harajuku district, where the word IQOS stretches down the side of a glass-encased building, customers were offered a discount on buying the device in exchange for signing up on the company Euro trademark's IQOS website. The company offered incentives on the website for people to register, including the IQOS discount. In doing so, potential customers were asked to enter a list of smoking preferences as well as the user ID for their Instagram social media account. Philip Morris said in a statement that it does so a Euro to ensure that these consumers can follow the IQOS Instagram account, which is closed and limited to age-verified consumers registered in the Philip Morris Japan IQOS consumer database a Euro. An internal Philip Morris handbook dated 2016 discussed approaches to social media. It gave examples of possible Facebook posts aimed at customers. A Euro did you know, a Euro one suggested post reads. A Euro our newest version of IQOS can be connected to an app that a Euro trademark LL help you adjust to the product much quicker. Take it for a spin and learn more a Euro. For a graphic on scientists describe problems in Philip Morris e-cigarette experiments click here. For a graphic on how Philip Morris is selling regulators on its hot new smoking device click here.